Welcome to the DIY family. We are so excited to be taking this journey with you. You may be wondering what the next steps are in your project. We wanted to share with you that you will have a project manager contacting you very soon for a confirmation call. During this call, they will review with you all of your barn features, including door and window layouts, colors, delivery details, and more. We cannot wait to finish this project with you and to make your dream building a reality. If you have any questions in the meantime, you're more than welcome to contact us at DIYpolebarns.com. Have a blessed day.